So all we need is a bubble balloon, 8 5-inch red. So today I'm going to be using crystal balloons for the gumball. I have crystal blue, crystal green, crystal purple, crystal, I think, I'm not sure what color this, crystal yellow, crystal red, and crystal orange. So first I will put some air into the balloon. So what I'm going to do right now is pre-stretch the balloon. So now I've pre-stretched the balloon. I'm going to slide one 5-inch crystal balloon. And what I'll do is I'll cut this neck in half, over right here. Okay? So I'll slide this orange balloon in. And I'll blow it up. And then I'll do the rest. Last balloon. So right now the gumball dough is done. Squeeze. I use a scrap to tie it. So first, I'll start making the cluster. Okay. First layer will be inside. Stop. Twist. This is the first layer. And then I'm going to make the second layer smaller. Okay? About here. Okay. And then Now I'm gonna move this electric pump away. Okay. And I'm gonna use the nozzle of the first layer to tie up to the second layer. It's gonna be a bit tricky. The base is done. So now I'm gonna make the handle for the gumball machine. So I'm just gonna inflate it a little bit. Tie a knot. So first I'll make a loop. Push the nozzle into the loop. One finger bubble. Another one finger bubble. Twist them together and twist them in the middle, which is actually gonna form a pinch twist. 2 pinch twists. Okay. Now I'm gonna make the second part of the handle. And we're about done. Take the rest off. Wrap it a few times. And done with the handle. So now we're gonna take this gumball dough, use the 260 earlier, and tie it together. And tie it onto the machine. Well, technically it's not a machine, it's just a balloon. Tie it onto the balloon, red color balloon. Right about done. Okay, almost done. And done. Right. Now I'm going to use this. Stick it in front here. Use some glue dot. Here. One more glue dot. And here. There we go. A gumball machine, a simple mini gumball machine. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.